Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the pop-up. So if I want to open this program and want to install it, this is saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? So this happens. So this is the normal behavior of Windows, but if you want to bypass this, you can do that. Since this is not the Microsoft app, that's why it is going to giving us the pop-up like this. Now you need to open the user account control panel. Okay, let me show you how to open it. In order to bypass that, on the search bar you need to type for user account control, and once you type that, you need to open this. This is a simple fix. Now by default this should be showing up here. This will notify whichever you make the changes on your system. So you need to drag it from here to here. This is not recommended, but if you are admin, you know all the things and that is safe for your Windows, so this will also disable it. Hit apply. Now once you again click on that option, it will not ask you again the same pop-up. Let me open the same software again. It will start the downloading. It will save your one click also. So this is a simple fix guys, as you can see here. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.